Hello students, welcome to the class. I'm Yogita. Our subject is CNET Nursing Education for Nurses. And today we are going to learn about self motivation. Now, definitely we get motivated towards a goal or to achieve something when there is certain rewards are presented for that. For example, now maybe your father may say that if you get pass in your exam, you are going to get iPhone. See, now definitely there is some reward, something good. For that sake, you're motivated to study. But here, self motivation is individual is motivated by himself to do some work, do some activities, plan their work, reach the goal, and fulfill their dreams. This is called self motivation. And the definition of self motivation says it's an initiation to do any work without any supervision. This is called self motivation. That means you are doing some work, any activity without somebody supervision, yeah, guidance, yeah, keep on warning, do this, do this, do this. See, without that, you're doing your work. That is called self motivation. So, next, there are important 8 steps in self motivation. One is first, start simple. Keep yourself active, keep learning, keep a good company, stay positive, stop thinking, and know yourself, track your progress, and last one was help others. Now, first, start simple. That means you simply just like that start your work. Don't wait for any good day, good person to come and tell you your good time. Nothing like that. Whenever you felt, yes, I want to do this, yes, start with the work what you want to do. This is called start simply, just like that. Then keep a good company. Here always you keep a certain like good people around you who always support you, guide you. They say that yes, you can, though the task may be little difficult, they will never demotivate you. They say that yes, you can, you try it. See, you want such kind of good people, your friends, relatives, your peer group. See, such people, you keep them in your work area, which is really useful to you. Keep learning. Always you must have a desire to learn. You cannot say that no, mine is done, I'm not going to learn anything. No, you should come out from such thought and you should always be ready to learn something. You should have the desire and interest of learning. Next, stay positive. Now, stay positive means it's too difficult. I understand. Whenever you're feeling anything, a loss, you're facing any failures, you cannot be positive because we all are human beings. But here, you need to develop such important qualities. You need to cultivate that being positive. Think good from what bad happened with you. You may experienced a huge lot, a very bad experience, but now try to point out or figure out what good thing is happened with the which is associated with this bad. So that quality you must learn. That will help you to develop this self motivation. Stop thinking. Here, unnecessarily, please don't think what happened if I do, what others may think, how I can do, whether I can do this, that. No, see, this thinking will take you down. So, always stop thinking unnecessarily and don't bother that what others are thinking. You do your work with 100% of confidence and genuinity should be there in your work. You should have that interest and you have to give your 100% towards the work what you're doing, so that you please don't bother about others what they're thinking. So stop thinking. Know about yourself. That means you must know about yourself. What is your strength, weakness, whether you're able to do that. Maybe sometimes individual may set a high target which is just impossible for them to do. Maybe average, for example, now average students targeting to score 98% in exam. Impossible. If you're average, you know that your consistent performance is 65% in throughout the academic. Now you try to get 75 or 80% in your final exam. So you should know about about your skills, your strength, your weakness, your knowledge, your experience. So once you are honest about yourself, definitely you are self motivated towards certain goals which you can achieve. Trace your progress. That means you should have a track record of your progress. How much you scored, how much you improved from your last performance. Whether you're doing good or whether you're going down. If you're going down, you need to take certain measures which help you to climb back. So you should always know your progress report. Progress track should be there in your hand. Help others. Now here nothing but that you always help others so that you also feel happy. Definitely they also feel happy, and it's a just giving and taking relationship. You're helping them, definitely when you're in need they may help you. So this will help you to develop a good relationship among yourself in your work environment. So these all are the steps which help you to develop this self motivation. Okay, now next, let us discuss what are the tips which help you to develop your self motivation. Like, there should be a cause, there should be one reason to do that. Now, that cause will make you to do that. Yes, I have to do that. See, I should study because my parents cannot afford to pay the supplementary exam fees. It's a financial burden. Once I paid that regular exam fees, I'm going to study well and write the exam and get pass. See, this is a cause. And you should have a dream. See, when you have a dream, then definitely you work towards that. You may have a dream, yes, one day I will be working in some Western countries. That means to fulfill that dream, you have to work from today. It's not that at the end you will go and reach there. Not possible. So you should have that dream and you start working from today. Yes, I'll study today so that I'll clear my first year, second year, third year, whatever the exam in first attempt. I'll go for higher education. I'll take certain trainings. I'll do certain years of work in particular hospital so that I get a job experience. See, your dream is motivated to work towards that dream. And be hunger. It's not that hungry what do you feel and you'll go and have your lunch at 1 o'clock. Okay, so this is a hunger. It's just about your desire. It's more than your desire. Desire is just like that, you had a feelings to have that, but hunger, you're really working hard, you're trying, you're struggling to reach that, you are working hard to reach that. See, that hunger must be there. And you should always be in a company so that always you get a positive feedback. So whenever you failed, there will be some people who always to support you, so that even in your failure you can find something good, so that you are able to stand once again to face the difficulties. Run your race. That means you please don't compete with others. It's not a competition. You need to compete with yourself so that you can perform better than your previous performance. Yes, in your first internal exam you got 60%. Yes, you run your race, you compete with yourself. So in second internal exam you get 70%. Yes. Then always you think that you are able to do the work. Then take one more step. That means if you won your task, it doesn't mean that it's the end. Or else if you feel that you lost, it's not an end. Even if you won, you take one more step to improve yourself, and if you lost, you take an alternative so that you are able to reach that goal. And last, let go of the past. That means past experience may teach you to perform in a better way. Now, if you had a failure in your past and you're mourning today for that past, it's really meaningless. That means you're wasting your day. So today is a day which help you to plan for your future, not to mourn for your past bad thing what happened with you. So now these all are the factors which help you to develop a self-motivation in yourself. So dear students, I would like to summarize. We discuss about self-motivation. It is nothing but that you are taking an initiation to do the work, so that you are not waiting for somebody's order or instruction to do the work. You are doing by your own. You are interested to do that. And the steps of self-motivation is: start simple, keep learning, keep good company, Stay positive, stop thinking, know about yourself, trace your progress, and help others. And certain tips to improve to get this self motivation is to have a cause, have a dream, be hunger, run your race, and think about today's, not yesterday's failures, and take one more steps to reach the success. So this is all about your self motivation. You can expect this question for 3 marks or 5 marks, and I'm sure that you're able to write the answer now. So please keep watching, and I'll see you in the next class with a new topic. Take care of yourself, and thank you all.